Found that when it comes to cryptocurrency, people generally fall into one of several groups. One group is those who don't understand what it is and don't care to ever really learn. Another is those who find it risky for whatever reason, and they're never going to even get started with it. Some fall into the same group that I do. You pretty much get what it is, you feel comfortable getting started in it, and you can set everything up yourself. The fourth group is those who get what it is, understand the value proposition, but aren't quite comfortable getting things started on their own and don't really know where to begin. If that's you, then you're in the right place. I can tell you that ever since I got started in crypto, I get questions like, I want to enjoy the gains and I understand what crypto is, but I just don't know really where to start. So in this video, I'm going to tackle the question from the point of view of a new United States cryptocurrency investor. The reason I'm tackling the United States is because that's where I'm based and that's what I know. I'll discuss my preferred exchange, and if you click on this video, you already know what it is. I mean, why it's my preferred exchange, how to sign up, how to link a bank account, and how to move money on and off of the exchange. Now, let's get started. Now, one of the things I said I would talk about is why I prefer Coinbase. The reason that I prefer it, I think it has the easiest interface to figure out for new investors. It's the first and biggest exchange in the United States. It is regulated. They went public with an IPO, so they went through lots and lots of audit. Connecting a bank account is very easy. Depositing and off and moving money off of the exchange is very easy. So for all of those reasons, and there's a lot of other good features and side benefits they have. They have a debit card that I've talked about before, where you get 4% cash back in 4 different cryptos. They frequently let you do learn and earn. I've earned I think $70 in free crypto, which you can then trade that crypto, sell it for Bitcoin or USD, and flip that for something else later. And you get bonuses for signing up too. I mean, there's a lot of good there. That a lot of people kind of hate on Coinbase, but I think a lot of that's unjustified. And you know, similar to tech companies are going to get hate, like Facebook, Apple, Google. There's a lot of hate towards them just because they're the biggest and they're the best. I think that's the same thing you deal with Coinbase. All right, so here we are at the sign up screen. You click sign up. You're going to input your name, email address you're using. I already have several Coinbase accounts. I have one per email address. I'm going to need to generate a secure password. If you don't have a password generator, I suggest you get one. Put in your state, certify that you're 18 years of age or older. Save our generated password, certify that we are 18 years of age or older. Account. Create account. There we go. See here, we're getting a nice little $5 reward in Bitcoin for signing up for a new account. That's pretty cool. Click continue. And they sent me a verification email. So this is where I'll have a nice little gap in the video. Verified our email. We're gonna phone number. Out of course. Text to arrive. There it is. Submit. And you will put what country you're a citizen of. In the case of this video, I'm gearing it towards United States citizen, so I'm assuming most of you will be United States citizen. So submit. Dismiss this in the bottom. All right, then you have to verify your identity. By doing so, we're going to answer a few questions. You put your name in, put what you will use Coinbase for, birthday, So funds, probably most people's going to be employment, it could be inheritance, occupation. Pop in my address. LastPass. Answer the employed question, whether you're employed or put in the last 4 digits of your security number. You may be wondering why you need to do all this. You signed up for a bank account, you've answered similar questions. It's United States anti-money laundering. Many countries are going to have these laws, so it's pretty standard practice. Continue. So this is information they are legally required to collect. Total value they expect to transfer to your Coinbase account in the next 12 months. I don't know. I'll probably use this as a secondary account. So the industry do you work in? Appropriately submit. And you'll see that you have a, once you've done answered these questions, you have a basic account, but you still are asked to verify information. So I'm gonna go ahead and verify now. Already put this information in, so we can click continue. It has already been verified. Now at this point, we've done basic identity verification to enable the sending and receiving of cryptocurrency, which trust me, you're going to want to do. You need to click enable send receive, and you're going to have to load a copy of your driver's license. This is how it looks. I'm going to use mobile camera, but you also have the option of webcam or file upload if you have it. But because I'm on my computer and my webcam is tied up recording this, I cannot use it two different places at once. So I'm going to go with camera. So you are texted a link, you open it up, you take a picture of the front of your ID, and then you take a picture of your back of your ID, you upload it, and that's that. And process is going on. And as you can see, as we're verifying your ID, may take a few minutes. And it has been verified. No break in the video. That was literally took about 1 minute total. I'm now at level 3. Now, before I get into connecting a bank account, I want to go over something that is very minor, probably to some people, but very important to me. And that is this blinding white background here. You want to go to dark mode, click on your little profile head here, go to appearance, and dark mode, boom. And it instantly looks better. Background looks better already. Miss, voila. So not so blinding on the right. Now we'll go back to adding a payment method. And you have several options here. Bank account, you can do PayPal, do direct deposit. This is gonna be more for if you have this option, you can run all of your finances out of, I'll cover this in a later video. Connect a debit card, or you can do wire transfer. I think the preferred method for most people, if you have it, is going to be bank account. And you see they use Plaid. It's a very, very common. I've seen it on other websites used to connect link bank accounts. Menu. And then link the account. Of course. you want to send me money, have it. And then it's going to authorize. If I had to answer 3 questions, I guarantee it's going to be the same for every bank, but probably is. Security code. And I have accounts. And it's linked. All right. Now we have 3 of 4 complete. Once you have your bank account linked, the easiest way to add cash and then cash out is going to be to go down to US dollar. That's always going to be in your assets list. If you can't find it, you can search for it. So to add cash, you can go in here. And keep in mind, this is on my more established account. It's saying it's available to cash out, send or cash out in 5 days. You're probably going to see a much higher number here, probably like 11 days for a new account. I'm not going to add cash now because I don't need any more cash in here, part of my plan. But in the same spot, if you have cash already in there, and I have, you can cash out as well. And that's as simple as clicking on it, add how much you want to cash out, and it'll arrive in 1 to 3 days. Free. I'm not going to cash out because I don't want to cash out, but you just click confirm, and that's that. So hopefully you found this video to be useful. I explained to you why I like Coinbase, all the pros of it, how to register for Coinbase, how to add a bank account, and then how to add cash and how to take your cash out. In further videos, I'm going to explain more in-depth topics like advanced trading, why it's better than regular trading. I can go over the debit card again. I probably don't need to though. Sending your entire paycheck to Coinbase if that's something into, learn and earn features, and then some other things that I have in my mind are, how to use Coinbase as a starting point to get some more exotic, if you will, cryptocurrencies in your hands. It's going to involve signing up for another exchange and using the cheapest method available. There's a few. There's one that I prefer. So if you found this useful, I'd always appreciate it if you give me a like. A subscription is great. I'm going to try to be more consistent with my uploading, and stay tuned for more information in the future. Obviously you can tell I'm a big fan of Coinbase, so stay tuned for more on it. And until next time, I'll see you later.